Okay, so today, medyo naguguluhan na ako sa setup ko, which is, if you don't know, ang setup ko ngayon is napakagulo, napaka-messy. And I think it's time para maglinis na ulit. Also, dahil dumating na yung bago kong Lazada, which is this tray, I think this will help me at least organize my stuff along the way. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do a quick montage. I'm not gonna, yeah, just a quick little montage. Can't hurt, right? You know, why not? So yeah, this is just gonna be quick. Me, cleaning stuff. You know what? I don't know why, because I just like cleaning stuff up. Definitely when it's messy. So yeah, I just really love cleaning and stuff like that. So yeah, so without further ado, let's clean this place up and let's do a before and after, because why not? Yes.